Through a public interest litigation, the Aaranyak Nature Club effectively stopped fishing leases inside Assam's protected areas, thus making history. And so, Aaranyak as an organization was born. It evolved out of the need to build local capacities to protect Northeast India's ecology and biodiversity. In fact, the word Aaranyak signifies a connection to the forest.
In 2003, a major grant was awarded to Aaranyak when we had engaged the services of 4 full-time employees. After 35 years, we are Northeast India's largest environmental organization with 14 divisions and approximately 200 employees who are engaged in scientific research, environmental education, and capacity building.
The states of Northeast India, located in the Eastern Indian Himalayan region, are part of the Himalaya and Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspots. Aaranyak's conservation activities in the region are built on a foundation of scientific research on species and habitat. Aaranyak's conservation biologists have established a unique community conservation approach to secure the breeding habitats of the endangered greater adjutant. Various ecological and genetic investigations conducted by the organization have provided a solid framework for planning in the conservation of the greater one-horned rhino in India. Aaranyak's habitat monitoring and restoration efforts are laying the groundwork for the long-term survival of the Asian elephant in the wild. Humans and wildlife share common spaces, often leading to conflict. Nature-based and community-operated conflict mitigation tools promoted by Aaranyak ensure a less risky coexistence between humans and elephants. Aaranyak works consistently on a science-driven conservation planning approach in which tigers, other predators, and prey species populations are monitored simultaneously. This has resulted in several success stories towards the conservation of India's national animal in the protected areas of the region. Aaranyak's primatologists have been working for many years, collecting baseline data on the status of primates in Northeast India. At the Gibbon Conservation Center of Aaranyak, experts regularly train students, researchers, and frontline forest department staff on primate conservation, especially for the western Hulock gibbon. The herpetologists of Aaranyak have prepared extensive inventories of various species of reptiles and amphibians found in Northeast India. Aaranyak now leads a very successful breeding and reintroduction conservation program for the critically endangered pygmy hog. The pygmy hog conservation program is run in partnership with the Assam Forest Department, the Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust, and several other organizations. Aaranyak prioritizes addressing environmental concerns via effective education and communication strategies. When it comes to raising environmental awareness, Aaranyak focuses on children and youth. To accomplish this goal, the organization develops a wide range of information, education, and communication resources on an ongoing basis. Communities living near protected areas play an important role in conservation. Aaranyak is working with people near protected areas to reduce their dependency on forest resources through alternative livelihoods. The Manas Conservation and Outreach Center empowers local communities to conserve the landscape and provides a facility for stakeholders to undertake conservation projects.
মোৰ নাম বনিতা বড়ো অৰাইনোৱে তো CFC তো আমাৰ গাঁৱত আনি কিনে বহুত ভাল কাম কৰিছে অৰাইনৰ 8 বছৰ আমি ট্ৰেনিং ললো ট্ৰেনিং লোৱাৰ পাছত আমি নিজে হাতে দি বিহুবান বনাইছো দুটা আৰু ষ্টল বনাইছো এটা পাছত এই দুটাটো তিনটাটো আমি নিজে হাতে দি বনাইছো ট্ৰেনিংৰ পাছত এটা বই আছে বাইদেউসকলে ময়ো বই আছে ষ্টল
In the biodiversity-rich landscape of Kaziranga Karbi Anglong, Aaranyak has successfully developed a community cooperative called Pirbi.
মই ইয়াত পিৰিবিতে মই সেল হিচাপে কাম কৰো বস্তু কিনা বেচা প্ৰত্যেকটো হিচাপ মোৰ ওচৰতে থাকে আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত বাহিৰৰ টুৰিষ্টটো বহুত আহে আহি ভালো পায় প্ৰডাক্টখিনিও পছন্দ কৰে আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত কাৰ্বিৰ সকলো প্ৰডাক্টে পোৱা যায় সব হেণ্ডমেড হেণ্ডলুম এইবোৰ আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত কাৰ্বিসকলে মানে নিজৰ বস্তুবোৰ আনি আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মানে কমিউনিটিয়ে আমাৰ বস্তু প্ৰডাক্টখিনি ইয়াত দিয়ে
Aaranyak works routinely with local communities and policymakers advocating for various water and climate-related issues. Its experts work closely with the judiciary and law enforcement agencies to help deter crimes against wildlife. The organization has raised its own canine squad, a team of highly trained Belgian Malinois sniffer dogs and their handlers. With the help of this canine squad, the State Forest Department has been able to apprehend numerous poachers in protected rhino areas of Assam. For the past 2 decades, Aaranyak has proactively initiated various technology solutions for its research activities and conservation planning. Its in-house GIS laboratory continues to produce various thematic maps for research projects, while also supporting multiple government agencies. Regular trainings conducted by the GIS specialists of Aaranyak help support the professional development of researchers, students, and Forest Department staff. In the year 2008, Aaranyak created another milestone by establishing its very own wildlife genetics laboratory. This laboratory has carried out major conservation-related genetic research programs in India and abroad using DNA technology. At present, this is the only facility offering wildlife DNA forensic services to the various forest departments across Northeast India.
Aaranyak had a long journey since its inception in 1989 till 2024. We are completing 35 years. Over the years, we have reassessed our objectives and activities in order to address the diverse and renewed, challenging environmental and ecological issues. Over the years, we have also put our energy to build local capacity, bringing new researchers into this domain to address diverse ecological and environmental challenges in order to find out solutions.